There are two tabs that you can push and open this up. We opened it up once already, and I'm just doing this for the demo. There's a tab here, there's a tab here. When you hold it, pay attention to orientation. Remember where the holes are, and take pictures so you don't get confused, because once you lose your orientation, it's never going to go back together, okay? So, and try not to move your hands too much so you can remember the orientation. I hope this is coming out. But the problem was that the handle was hard to move. There was trash. Somehow the trash got in there. There you go. If you can see, it's opening up. I only got to get this tab out. And of course it's taking longer because I'm videoing. Murphy's Law. Okay, here goes. Pay attention. You got one hole on the top, two holes on the bottom. The same thing on the plate below. One hole on the top, two holes on the bottom. There are some grooves right there. The groove, groove, groove. You can pull these out. It just slides up and down. On those tracks, there are 3 tracks, okay? And put everything the way you got it in order. Up and, the top and bottom. Once you lose orientation, you're in trouble. So, here's the next piece, right here. And if you notice, there are 3 circles right here, and there are 3 circles in there. I don't know. So, let me get the camera, just in case if I'm not taking a shot. Okay, here's the inside. There are 3 circles on that white thing, and you notice that there are 3 circles, 1, 2, 3. Also, you see those? Those go in the grooves. Anyway, so okay, what we have is 1 groove here, 2 on the bottom, and this piece is same thing. It has a groove on the top, groove 2 on the side. So this piece will go down in that orientation. You move this around, make sure it's grabbed. You move that piece around the metal so you can feel a connection. Next piece is same thing. It's like a triangle, top and 2 on the bottom. Top circle, 2 circles to the side, and 2 grooves, one groove on the top. Same orientation. You put it in. You don't feel right. Oh, okay. One other thing, these grooves, these holes go in that indentation right there, that indentation. So you have to feel, make sure it grabs. Let me see. Okay, once it grabs, you can hear a click or so, and then you can move this piece right here. So you can see the pieces working, and move this handle and it should move smoothly while you're holding this, obviously. And then this piece is again 1 hole and 2 hole. 2 hole, 1 hole, they have to match. And you have a groove here, here, here. It's like a triangle groove. And it goes on top of it. And the clip is right there. Alright.